Hi, welcome back to AIA Uncut. In the last episode, we broke down how token launches really work and why so many projects fail before they even get a fair chance. Today, we're talking about another huge problem in crypto, and this one hits almost everyone. Actually spending your money. Because making money in crypto is one thing, but using it in the real world is where everything starts to fall apart. To understand why, we need to cover a couple of basics that most people hear about but don't fully understand. In crypto, there are two key concepts, on-ramps and off-ramps. An on-ramp is how you enter crypto. You start with fiat, like cash in your bank, and convert it into crypto. That usually happens through bank transfers, card payments, or local payment methods. Whereas an off-ramp is the opposite. It's how you exit crypto. You take your crypto and convert it back into fiat so you can actually use it. And this is where the real problems begin. Most banks and financial institutions are still uncomfortable with crypto. Even today, transactions get flagged, accounts get frozen, transfers get delayed or rejected without clear reasons. And the frustrating part is, this happens even when users do everything right. The system just hasn't caught up yet. So what do people usually do instead? One option is peer-to-peer trading. You sell your crypto directly to another person, and they send you fiat. On paper, it sounds simple. In reality, it's risky. You're dealing with counterparty risk, scams, delayed payments, chargebacks, and zero protection if something goes wrong. One mistake and your funds are gone. Another option is withdrawing fiat through a centralized exchange. This often means long processing times, withdrawal limits, unexpected fees, and once again, the risk of banks freezing or questioning your funds after they arrive. None of this feels seamless. None of it feels like the future crypto promised. And that's exactly why we built the AIA card. The AIA card is designed to remove the off-ramp problem entirely. Instead of jumping through hoops, users can top up crypto instantly from any wallet or exchange. Not locked to one platform, not forced into a closed ecosystem. Any supported wallet, any supported exchange. That crypto is instantly converted into fiat and loaded onto your card, ready to be used in the real world. And you can spend it anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted, which means millions of merchants worldwide. But we didn't stop there. Most crypto cards put heavy limits on how much you can actually spend. $10,000 a day, maybe $100,000 if you're lucky. We push that to $1 million per day. No limits on top-ups, no artificial caps designed to slow you down. The card comes in both virtual and physical versions, so you can use it online, in-store, or withdraw cash from ATMs in over 170 countries. It also works seamlessly with Apple Pay and Google Pay, so you can pay straight from your phone like you would with any traditional bank card. No learning curve, no friction. It's as simple as register, complete KYC, top up, and spend. That's it. And this solution isn't just built for individuals. On a B2B level, we also provide crypto-to-fiat infrastructure for banks and financial institutions, along with white label card programs that allow businesses to launch their own branded crypto cards. So whether you're an individual trying to use your crypto day-to-day or an institution looking to offer crypto payment solutions to your customers, the same problem is being solved. This is what real adoption looks like. Not complicated workarounds, not risky transfers, not frozen accounts. Just crypto that works in the real world. That's it for this episode. If this helped you understand why spending crypto is still broken and how it's being fixed, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. We'll see you in the next one.